I better find your love.
Guys, we came to Rooms to Go to see if we can get a couch. We need a couch. So we came to see what they got. This is an idea, guys. This is nice. See, that $1,000 worth of money that.
In the other room, like let you do bedroom or dining table, or just section. Just doing stuff in my living, right? Not getting a new place.
Actually,
oh well, congratulations. Yeah.
Thank you.
Out, right?
Yes.
All right. Another very popular one too. I know it's a little bit darker than this one here. It's 118 inches across, so you have, you know.
Color to keep it tone dark. They have nice. This look big and comfortable. What you? Like you could have checked off it. That is.
The other section is right around this corner.
Oh, they have the. Guys, I just came to Best Buy and got a I got a ring light for $76. I think it was an open box. I'm gonna show you when I get home or so forth. I can show you the brand too. So this is it. I got it. It was 70. I'm gonna show you. I don't know what everything, you know, so I'm bringing out everything. $76.85. I need to come from. I saved. Did it show how much I saved? I saved $48 because it was 100 and TV LOD. It was 119. All right, we're looking for the car mount. Looking for the car. Babe, where's Adane? Adane? Car accessory section. This is your section, you know, if you're looking for your Xbox and so forth. This PlayStation. One controller for it. So they have controller. Yeah, if they have control there. So they have other only. So. Where is it? Car accessories. Where am I? Looking for a car mount. Something nice I can't hold my phone. Where the price there? Where is the price? Where's the price? Car mount. Let's see what them price is, then I must buy it. I'm not seeing a price. These guys, they were just thrown here. You see any car mount there, sir? I don't see any. Let's look around here. These are the vacuums, right? The robot vacuum things. Car mount. I'm not seeing the car mount that I'm looking for. Okay. Oh, they're like 19, 24. Okay. We'll check Amazon or eBay for a car mount. It's not gonna work. See there? $19, $20. Alright, let's go. So I'm leaving with this. I got this. I needed this. Something good you buy in store when you can see really what you get. Alright, let's go. Guys, these are the iPhone 16 Pro Max. The screen just look magical. This is the 16 Pro. This is what I have. Just flat 16. The 16 plus. When I look no different. Really wanted it to.
Tell us, I know not different. I don't see AI in here go different.
The AI and the back look the same. Oh, this is 16. How much is something like this? $9.29. There's something like this. Alrighty. Be they do it. They do it. Come on, tell me. They know you're not normal with this.
Yeah, yeah.
What, Anna? What? Why not move the car? Come pick me up. Don't need for me to put. Okay. Me not gonna cover my head, but me not bother. Me might come with the car. Me have to try to pull the bag on the bag that you pull. This is something. But wait. But I go. What are they? Cha. When they are all like, I read a fight every day. I would have buy the umbrella. We kill this bad. We kill this bad. People say, wonder what? Wait. Alright, hungry. Should I feel like Friday? I not even Friday. Oh, I'm sorry. You can't feel the same way, right? I'm sorry. Me not at work tomorrow, so should I feel like Friday? A long weekend. Yeah. Guys, we're at Starbucks drive-thru. It is raining like crazy. What happened?
I wonder if we deliver us or pick up us. If we, yeah.
Ask her. What's your best fall drink? They have the pecan crunch. They have apple crunch, iced apple crunch. They have pumpkin spice latte. Where's the box? Oh, sit down, Nisha. The order here. I'm gonna try. One. This is a pumpkin spice frappuccino. I mean, it's fall season, so.
Alright, thank you.
I'm trying out whatever they got for fall. It's okay. It's not much different from a caramel frap, to be honest. If you got a fall drink, just let me know and I'll try it. I'll try your fall options. Yeah. And then got a, what you got? Caramel crunch cookie. What you got?
Yeah,
Okay, guys. Babe said he wants us to try the Liquor Tokyo over here. Let's see if this Liquor Tokyo is better than the one in Jamaica. I personally don't like the Liquor Tokyo in Jamaica. Before, it used to be really good, but like years after establishment, like after a while, it's really just So he said he wants to try it, so let's go try this Liquor Tokyo. Why are you going to the cup? Sorry. I'm gonna think I can't finish this. I'm not sure. I like how it feel, but like how it tastes. You don't get Clyde after a while. I Clyde in the word, right? Excuse me. Clyde in the word. Alright, we're gonna try it. Let's go. We're going to Liquor Tokyo, people. And when you say want to try the Liquor Tokyo, can you even bring home the menu thing? And I'm still looking at me, never looking there. So let's go try. Oh, this rain, this weather, this everything. Do they have apple pear? Do I need to bring my purse? I left the Starbucks so I can go out and melt on the computer. So shot cover me with my bag, you know. Oh my god! I don't want my ear wet up. Beastie place, sir. And I sir. They look for my countryman husband. Yeah, we did find an umbrella sell you, right? But look here, that on here with the Best Buy bag still over head. Watch ya. Watch ya. He went to collect the food from Liquor Tokyo.
It's a soup head for 2 minutes. You don't want it.
Oh, what?
I want I don't soup.
Where's soup, babe?
Just hold it.
Guys, this is the food from Little Tokyo. Chicken in teriyaki sauce, grilled shrimp, and the noodles. This is crab fried rice, and we got fried California rolls. We got fried California rolls because of Odin I want raw food. I've never had fried California rolls. Normally have is what, raw or half cooked or half done or whatever California rolls. And we got this complimentary soup. Odin was he like, what is? It's a chicken soup, but chicken broth, whatever soup. Chicken broth or chicken broth soup. Yeah, this is dinner. We're gonna share it up. Warm it up and share it up. Sometimes we can't bother to cook on weekends. So why am I telling us a weekend? Today is Thursday. But I mean, I feel like Friday. So you know, normally when I have to carry lunch for another day, would I just probably get something or eat something just regular, basic or whatever. Yeah. Alright guys, welcome, what's up? So tonight we're going on the road. I think we should be making a stop at Wayfair and Walmart. Oh, come on. Hey guys, so we are out here at Wayfair from it's supposed to be drop. We're here at Wayfair in the night, yeah. I try to see if we can get one couch, people. Rooms to go. Yesterday we did saw something that we like, but let's be honest, the price kind of heavy. So we have been looking online too, can't find what we like. But them say they have sale, but trust me, it's really hard to find things that you like at the Wayfair outlet. So let's see if we're gonna have any luck tonight. Sometimes I have luck and find something. This is a piece alone of $600. Just have to look and see. Most of them just not have no sectional. And a sectional piece here, look. You see? This is $400, no? $450. This is $450. Nothing wrong, I just they seal. And it look comfortable.
Plastic and light.
Hmm?
Plastic and light.
Plastic and light, eh? What do you mean?
You know, you
This I see. Comfortable. Feel comfortable. These are some doorbell cameras that we have been thinking about getting. This one is broken. They can't really see, but it's like if somebody come in your door, they would, and then the camera show, and then this is, I guess, I don't know, the part that makes it sound when someone's at the door. They have one for 79, and they have one for 99. Yeah. So they have like another option here for 69. Smart battery, doorbell camera. I guess they have it all different brands, because I know the Amazon has one too. I wasn't even thinking about it, but I've been thinking about, like, I feel like I don't feel as secured. Like I feel like I would take like an extra security on the door. But we want a big size TV for the living room. This size would be good, Grizzle. What size is this? This is this TV. What inch is this TV? What? Which one?
I don't know what they are.
If I don't know what don't know that yet.
I don't know what they are.
Our inch is it? 73? No. What are they? 75. Or different. Some don't know which one that. Or the other one I'm talking about because at the price.
Me don't love it.
It's nice. But this can't hold on his face that we have there.
It's a little big.
I eat that just fit right there alone, not sure. We're looking like a TV to see the prices, to see what could go in our space in the living room. Which one? 65 inch. Yeah. Alright, which one? You sure? Alright. Which one have a 55 inch that?
This?
No, this is 65.
Oh, 65.
So this is yeah, $500. 500.
It's like a 358.
For what inch?
This.
You sure?
65 Philips, yeah?
Oh yeah, this is for 360. 360. This one is the bad, and this is 65. Okay. What are the options? Sure.
65 inch.
How much for?
378 for this.
Yeah.
Oh, not bad.
Not bad.
Not bad. This one has TCL.
The one that's cheaper.
With the TV.
TCL.
Strong TV there.
Yeah, this one is cheaper. But Roku. Roku. And an LED. Smart TV. But see Roku there. And you know, like the Roku, this is the brand we have at home now. Oh, this one is cheaper. This one, yeah. But how much for the 70 inch? It's for 400. 70 inch. It's 65. Yeah. But I'm just saying the 70 inch is for 400. Which one is this? Which inch is this one? 75. So 65 is like 85. Not sure the one here. Something nice to sit on the wall in the living room. 65. What? They're not an example of 65 out.
This?
Yeah, like. No, that's 75. See here.
Just look at that 65 TV.
Oh yeah. The 65 look little guy. It's 65 like a TV in that room. It's bigger, but it can go on.
I did not fit to become in my space to have something about this.
Yeah. Sure, no, what another favorite LG one is. Yeah, it's nice though, eh? This one is for $2,000. You want to get it? It's $2,000. But not buying a TV today, man. Guys, just get grocery shopping and taking up our Jamaican stuff, water crackers. These aren't made in Jamaica. I think I found out like a few months back or so. I got what, you know, we always have these, and my thing or the getting faster oats. I'm not drinking soda, and what reason I'm doing for the thing. But one thing guana, one thing $1.50, $1.58, you know. What else do you show? Yeah. Hey, we came to the fair! Woo! I'm gonna do a ride. Ben said no, I did a ride. I'm gonna do a ride. I'll be able to ride them here. No, that's alright. But more in the bathroom first.
off himself. Kuya. God, God. Family, come on. God help her, cause me not go funny. Too late. You my dead, Jesus help him, boy. Watch him. Can't manage with that. Look how him hold on. Oh, God help him do. Hold on in there. In the right, so. Alright, he's done here now. He can't manage, he's done. Watch it out the door, people. Hey, God. People, he think he young. He don't know say all that now. He swear think he young. Watch him. You want to come out. Watch him. He swear think he young.
They've got ice cream. Guys, we came to the fair where they have a lot of, you know, you can throw to hit the bottles down, or you can pour the basket in the hoop, basketball in the hoop, to win a banana rastaman. I think I spoiled my entire evening by going on the upside down ride. Let's see that more for me.
You thinking young?
I'm not sure. Maybe I tell babe that I'm not young again. Like, I'm not young again. Like, one time I could handle those stuff. Let's see that more. Guys, we came on the road. They have the Halloween decor out already. Look at this funky with a skull on it. And what do you call these again, babe? What do you mean again? Scarecrows. Guys, we came to Chipotle to try. 9:30. We never get no lettuce, so I'm going to pull mine and tell her it tastes. They say it tastes good, so I'm going to try mine.
You must say it tastes good, but it don't taste bad.
What wrong then?
No wrong, you're alright, man.
Okay. It's rice hot?
I feel so heavy.
Mm-hmm.
You need to earn lettuce?
Mm-hmm. No one dash away. We'll pull it first. This is mine. Why am mine big so for true?
So you give me some time to eat that food.
I don't know. I'm gonna try it and tell you it is. Alright guys, so I didn't get to close out the vlog, so I'm here to close out the vlog for you guys. So the first thing is, the last thing you guys saw was the Chipotle. It's like a 7 out of 10 for me. Nothing that I would literally crave or anything that would I run to go back like, no. The portion of the serving is a lot, so I do recommend if you like heavy food, you can go there. Yeah, for the couch, still no luck getting anything from the store. Did saw things that I like, and did saw a couch that I like in rooms to go up, but the price kind of out of budget. It's $1,000, and it's a perfect couch, but it's $1,000. So we are back and forth trying to say perfect couch, but it's $1,000. So it's $1,000 plus tax and fees and delivery. It turned out to be, I must say, $1,300 and something, almost $1,400 for the couch. So yeah. So we're still back and forth now. We're back to online looking. Prime Day is coming back up in October, so we're gonna check Amazon again. I had some in my cart on Amazon. It's just love or hate situation, trying to figure out what I really want from Amazon also, or it's like more like do I want to get this type of couch? I really want a sectional that is a L-shaped sectional. Amazon is either too small, or the sectional is like an ottoman, where you know have the bed part. That's what I really want. It's so hard, like, but that's what's up. I did find something, so I added to the cart. I was going to buy it this weekend, but they're having a Prime Day October the 8th and 9th, October the 8th and the 9th, and then Wayfair is having their sale next weekend. So I'm not gonna bother rush because Odina's like, Tash, let's just wait. So I'm gonna wait for next weekend for Wayfair sale weekend to see if I get something, if anything else might pop up and I get a good sale on it. And then I'm gonna wait to see Amazon. Even if I don't find Wayfair next weekend, then I go watch and sip on the Amazon if I'm drop up on the couch. So no, I'm gonna keep on posted, and that's what's up. We're definitely going to get our TV from Walmart. We're going to get the 65 inch because the space here is not a big space to put a TV. This is where the TV going to go. So 65 inches is definitely what's going to go there. And yeah. So yeah guys, that's it for this vlog. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Take care of yourself, big up on yourself, love on them. Later.